Good evening, everyone. This is the lecturer in political science, government degree college, Kerala. Today we discuss the Kautilya, Indian Machiavelli, the Indian Machiavelli, Kautilya, state and society. Introduction. What is the Arthasastra of Kautilya? Kautilya's statecraft, of kingships, council of the ministers, Danda, education, military and ministers, welfare state and administration of the justice, uh, village, village administration, Saptanga theory, financial administration, Patra theory, concept of the social order, and explanation of the state. Introduction. In the ancient Indian political thought, Kautilya is regarded as the greatest on the science of the polity. He is also known as Chanakya or Vishnugupta. He is the author of the Arthasastra, which is the regarded as the masterpiece of the ancient Indian literature. She He is well known as the prime minister of the Chandragupta Maurya during 370 to 293 BC, and he is considered as the one of the minister of the time who is with his views on the state war, social structure, diplomatic, ethic, politics, and statecraft in his Arthasastra. This is the proof of the Arthasastra in Kautilya's period using the Arthasastra of Kautilya, the 4th century BC. In the historical from many countries in 1904, the Tanjavur district found the authorities for Kautilya's Arthasastra according to the P. Verma is systematic and containing very and detailed of the topic of the discussion of which is ultrasound itself. కౌటిల్యుని గురించి మనము అర్థశాస్త్రము కౌటిల్య యొక్క ఆయన పరిచయం గురించి చెప్పుకుంటే కౌటిల్యుడు when we see the Kautilya is a history in nothing more in the atlas itself. Kautilya Arthasastra is a work of the especially interesting in the field of the political theory and the public administration. It has surprised many contemporary works of scientific and the systematic. Its contains 15 books and 150 chapters, 180 sections, and 6,000 slogans in the Arthasastra. Which chapter deal with the practical aspect of the political and the administration. The analytical meaning as presented by the following table. What is of Arthasastra in Kautilya? Name of the Adhikarana and context. First Adhikarana he told about the education for the king, discipline and qualifications of the ministers, the responsibility of the king, duties of the and etc. Second, Adhikarana told about in the land and village administration, contest of the governor, tragedy, etc. This is the brief explanation of the Arthasastra. How many chapters is there? It is written in 15 books in 150 chapters and 180 sections and 6,000 slogans in Sanskrit. This is the brief in way in competitive way. He asked him the how many books and how many chapters is there and sections and slogans also. And the third Adhikarana, form of the agreements, legal disputes and marriages and agreements, sales and purchase, etc. This all to discuss on the third Adhikarana. This is the view of the our constitution also. And fourth Adhikarana is about telling me of the elements on the criminal law, etc. In the fifth Adhikarana, fifth Adhikarana, methods of remove the state and the treasury of the king, etc. Sixth and seventh Adhikarana is only one the several elements of the kingship and six lines of the policy, etc. Eighth one, fire, etc. Ninth and tenth, military. Detail about the military system. And 11th one, cooperative and the guideline, etc. 12th and 13th Adhikarana, methods to win the award, to get the popularity in the country. In 14th Adhikarana, prepare the powers and mix to the produce the appearance, etc. And fifth Adhikarana, description of the planning of the work, etc. Those are things are discussed by the Arthasastra in the road by the Kautilya. Is a name as well Vishnugupta and Chanakya. Kautilya Arthasastra contains many aspects, political and administration. It carries the significance as per the first time in the science of the political from many limitations like ethics and religions. They contain both the positivism and the religionism. Kautilya statecraft. The statecraft of Kautilya's Arthasastra comes close to the sun's work on the art of the war and Machiavelli in the Prince. It's called the Indian Machiavelli in the this type of questions asked by the commentators. Who is the Indian Machiavelli? The name come to the Kautilya. It is the generally maintained that Kautilya's is an Indian Machiavelli in the Italian Kautilya's. Kautilya's work with those of Plato and Aristotle is the same period of the Plato and Aristotle also. Kautilya's statecraft theory. Kautilya's Arthasastra contains many views of the statecraft, state and society. There are the following of the kingship, counseling of the ministers, danda and education, military and ministry, welfare system, administration of the justice, diplomacy, and epicurism, village and administration, Saptanga theory, financial administration, model theory, concept of the social order, and explore of the state. The kingship. Kautilya support the high pace of king. There, like a swami, he as the soul of the body of the polity. However, the king has the powers as he has to read to the sacrifice himself and even the he is well wife for is the war of the people in necessary. He should not become prey to him himself interest and the personal uh, pressures like a work for the people welfare. All types of the was like a karma and lobha and moha and mada and madhya must be away from the himself. Karma, plus and angry, mischievous, and attachment, and head, headstrong,ness and luxury, and must be away from him. Kautilya's kings had the advanced strategy as well, regarded the of the variation of like a Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera, Yama, Chandra, Surya, and Agni. According to the Kautilya, the king should be live the his life in such a way that the for four goals of dharma, artha, kama, and moksha is a goal on the four dharmas. That is the artha, kama, dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. He should be perfect in his action with the progressivism and the relativism. Kautilya provides him as list of many activities to the king who has to follow the delight, which includes get up in the earlier morning to go into the bed. Is activity get up in the early morning and sleep the late. Council of the Ministers. Kautilya says that the king is the supreme in his authority, but he can alone not rule the state. So he has to take the act and advice of the councillors and ministers. Beside them, there must be many officers for several departments of the is a governance. The king must take suggestions of his ministers depending of the context. The size of the ministers must be in according uh, advising to the need of the effective of the governance. Danda. The concept of danda is the great importance. According to the Kautilya, there are three principles of which is the danda provides the base of the adjusting, and danda Kautilya say that the king must apply danda in the responsible manner to set a law and order in the state. Danda, according to him, is the symbol of the is authorized education. Kautilya give utmost important for the education and enjoy the king to be a philosopher. According to Kautilya, the king must express knowledge of the Vedas, philosophy, economy, and politics. The king must educate himself from the childhood. He must receive the military education or we Socrates state, which says that the virtue of knowledge, military and administration. Kautilya regarded the king as the supreme commander of the force in his state. The king must even read for war. The king must be every ready to for the war. He must supervise all the military operation. Welfare state. In his Arthashastra, Kautilya make reference to the welfare state. According to him, is the king must take Misra is to help the people in the naturally. He should people as there are his children. He should plan for many welfare programs to be people. Administration of the justice is the most important aspect of the Kautilya's state of theory. In the book of third, Kautilya deal with the process of giving the justice to the people. For this, those must be judicially which has to work the efficiently. Kautilya is a two types of courts, namely civil court and criminal court. Civil court is the Dharma Shastra and criminal court is Kantaka Shodhana. This is the famous law in the administration of the Kautilya. This is classified the two types of the administration in the law. In civil court, that is the Dharma Shastra. Dharma means you give him the judgment of what is true, what is the false. And criminal, which means deal the criminals. Court is a Kantaka Shodhana in Telugu means in crying. And when we see the Kantaka Shodhana is a horrible punishment in the criminals. Diplomatic Kautilya statecraft playing the significant role. Kautilya is regarded as the first writer in the formalized of the Indian diplomatic variation subject like a foreign policy. Act in naturally attitude of many those aspects as the discussed by the Kautilya in diplomatics. There are six main principles of the peaceful and war management, nationality, war arrangement without announcing war, with the help of the others might states, concluding peace treasury with one court and read for war against other password countries. Diplomat a process that give the importance of the strong for the state. It is a necessary to the no by the any state. These are as un of the king. They have power also to achieve their goal. Kautilya mentioned 9 types of the village administration. In Kautilya Arthashastra, the administrative system on the village, the smallest unit of the administrative system, which is the head of by the Samhita, her every village considered 100 and to 500 families. There are the a local revenue officer in Gopa to collect the revenue and formulated the revenue estimates. Kautilya also discussed urban administration. One is another one important theory is the Kautilya Saptanga theory. This is the in the ancient Indian political thought. We mentioned the Saptanga theory in the written many thinkers, including the Manu, with the little version of Kautilya also mentioned that there are the elements of the state. Now, as the Saptanga theory, there are Swami means king. They rule by the king. Amutya means ministers, head of the minister, that is the prime position of the prime minister. Janapada means people and treasury we do the economic activities and there are give the some stages wise of the positions. First one Swami and Amutya means minister. Swami means is a king, higher authority, and Durga is a fort, and Kosara is a treasury, and Danda is a army. Means he punished him. The Mitra means friend. He is a neighbor. The Saptanga theory is 7 important points are very important of the development of the state. And we see when we rule by the king in successfully and welfarely, that state is as well developing in the developed. When we see the Amutya is my ministers, is position of the prime minister, he give the importance, and the king and a state he rule the indirectly, and is the main sharp thing in the state. E position is the second position, my Amutya, and next third position Janapada means is the people, and rest, and Durga means for when we achieve our food traits, there are storage in the port means in Durga. When we highly place is reserved and preservative in the food, that is the Durga. And Kosa means treasury, and again is the collect the taxes. This is the taxations. Danda means is a army, and connected the judiciary system also. He give the punishment in the civil. That's why you say never do the again and again. When we give the punishment in strictly, other again, then again the people again they not do the dislike of the dislike. That's why he give the danda more important of the Kautilya's Arthashastra. Again come to the Maitri. Sorry, Mitra. Mitra means friend. He give the advice and is a development of other. When we good friend is we want we give the advice in the good thinking. When we the see the our friend also, we effect of the friend in the our also. And when we choose the correct friend and good friendship, we focus on our state also in the Swami. See them pictures in the Saptanga theory, that is the Swami and Amitya and Durga and Kosala, Treasury, Danda and Mitra. Mitra is the last one. See, give the advices, and this is the 7 points is the development of the state. Give by the Kautilya in which way? Kautilya through. These 7 things main characters by the decided the development of the government. According to Kautilya, all the several elements of the state are like the parts of the body human being. The concept of the like the organ theory of the state of the Aristotle, like Kautilya said that the each and the every organ of the state must be well organized and work effectively. The king is the head of the state all around the king's palace, where the highest appointment of the ministers and highly official are made. The king rules of the Janapada, which with the help of the ministers for the protection of the state, as well build the of the necessary along with the community and integrated of the army. The people, the king must have Kosa in the order, well in the need we must have good relations with the king of the country, who are the mitra. In this way, the several elements of the saptanga is interrelated each others. The financial administration, In the Kautilya's Arthashastra, trade and the financial administrations are appointment of the role of the Kosa is the regarded with the element of the all undertaking for the Kautilya depend on the finance. In the Kautilya administration, almost all major areas of the economical aspects are to be regarded, whether agriculture, industries, trade, buildings are regarded the forest, etc. It is necessary to collect a tax from all the people who are on different professional. Mandala theory. And the Mandala theory is another important contributor of the Kautilya Sastra. It is described about the relations of the one king with the another. The mandala is a supported the contested dual kings, namely Vijishudu, the enemy, the friend of the Vijishudu, the friend of the enemy, the friend of the friend Vijishudu, and the friend of the enemy. Seventh one, a real word enemy and a real word friend of the real word enemy and friend of the friend in the real the intermittently the naturally. This is the Mandal theory. The Mandal theory composes 12 types of the king's state. It is classified as follows. The would be the center of the mandala. You should do the enemy who those treasury border on the that of the would be neighbors. They allow the who treasury live immediately behind behind of the neighbors. The enemy who is the neighbors of the one of the winner all the whole all in whole who territorially distance Vijayashudu. There is all the enemy all who is also pressurized district. There would be the maybe friend of the enemy. Friend of the friend is the friend and king state neighbors that would be is the but unstrong that both the king is very indifferent towards on the king state but more powerful than would be his enemy and the natural king state concept of the social order. Kautilya had no original ideas of the social as the had simple accept of the social order in Vedas and Smriti in the regarded the Varna Shastra and Dharma. According to the Kautilya believed that the four Varnas named Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra had to perform their as respected functions. Dharma to teach Kshatriya rule, Vaishnava to do business, and Shudras serve the others. The expressions of the state, Kautilya advised the king follow the five methods of the his kingdom. There are as follow: making the enemy in the every in popular in his kingdom, sending the on the enemy kingdom of the found out of is a weakness, sending his sons and quote as he had awarded the punishment of the them to through the his sons of his had make plan to kill him. Not allowed to water supply to each other kingdom and the make the plants to is people. The Brahmana means is the knowledge he teaching the people. He is a comparison in Brahmana. He come out on the mouth. He teach on the Vedas and he give the knowledge. Again, we see the Kshatriya means power, he rule, and he any way is anyway he is allowed to attend the wars. Anytime come to the war, he attend them. Again, Vaishnava is a business and profit and law. Laws, he do the agriculture also. He give the in the third position of the society in Vaishnavas. He more important persons. Why means is a business improve. He give the taxation in regular. That's why the Vaishnava is a society. He give the more priority. Again, Sutras means he serve the upper three castes, the Brahmana, Kshatriya, and Vaishya. His duty on serve them only without payment. He do the all categories. The first one Brahmana and second one Kshatriya and third one Vaishnava. They both are do the serve them. And thank you very much.